So I went out this morning and picked up the rest of the insulation and plastic wrap that we needed. So now I'm going to move the furniture from this side of the room over to this side of the room so we can bring that staging over here and finish up that part of the ceiling. So yeah, that'll be fun.
Hello. So we're rolling out our stuff here. We're going to do the little section that little piece there we didn't do, and then we're going to do this last full piece. Then we have those. These vents here, the baffles to staple up, and then we'll put all the insulation in. It's actually quite a job actually, because it's so small in there. It's such a small space. It's way harder than doing the flat part. But I mean, whatever. It's not that crazy. It's pretty warm again today. I think there's another heat warning.
Yeah. Right.
And somebody mentioned cutting a hole up in that gable so it flows through. Well, this here I have all that soffit up there anyway, so I'm probably just gonna, well, it'll vent through somewhat the whole way because there's soffit the entire way, and then it's all open in behind that. But I'll probably just knock out a couple of pieces at the top or whatever, then that'll be alright. We'll call that good. But I am gonna cut the one up here, right? So it goes here, and then they'll be out. There already is. That's all soffit there anyway, so it's all somewhat opened up. You know what I mean?
camera died on us, but we did get all the ceiling done. And then I used the leftover ceiling insulation, there was a little bit, and did the walls. So I just filled like gaps like here, over there. I had some white randomly there, some more gaps. So Jeremy went to town to buy more of the wall insulation, probably white, and we'll fill the rest of these gaps all up here. Get all the walls done. Just a little bit there. Here's the ceiling. So completely finished. Go around this way. Pretty awesome. We're so happy to have that done. It'll really help regulate the heat and cool in here because it just has been so grossly hot. That will really, really help. So when he gets back, yeah, like I said, we'll finish doing these. I just shoved in what I had left, cut it, and put it in the right spots. And then I went outside and sprayed myself with the hose. It's like 35 degrees or something here. Like, it's so hot. So yeah, I just went and did that, and I tried to spray the dogs, but they're not interested. I don't know why. They feel like being hot, I guess, but tried to spray those little buggers. Took all the garbage out to the front. You know, we've had no bear problems since we've got those dogs. Last year, this time, we had the bear outside the camper like more than once, that's for sure. We had seen him, and he was right outside the camper several times. He had taken our garbage from beside the camper, and then we moved it up to the front right away. And then he had gotten into the garbage at the front several times as well. This year, he hasn't, oh well, maybe he's been in my garbage once, I think, like earlier in the year. But since we got those dogs, there is no sign of him, which is so nice because, yeah, like bears were around all the time last year. And so it's not a lot nicer to like let Sam go outside and play with the dogs and know that, well, they're around, but they're nowhere like near the house. So that's really cool. So bonus of the dogs. Anyway, but another extremely successful day, another extremely hot day. Just when we finish up here, we're going to head to Sussex to the camper for the night and sleep in the AC because Jeremy has a baseball game tonight. And then tomorrow I'll probably take Sam to the pool and go swimming there. I'm teaching her how to swim in that pool, and she's doing so great. She's now just in water wings, and she's doing excellent. So I'll get her in the pool in the morning, and then we'll probably head back here by lunchtime to finish vapor barrier and whatever else. And then we'll probably start on the boards up there. That'll be the next job after all the walls are insulated and wrapped. We'll start putting boards on the ceiling. It's gonna look so cool. I really cannot wait.
What'd you say, bud?
What?
Back from town. Gonna bring in that insulation, finish the walls. It's about 175 degrees Celsius outside. That's about 480 Fahrenheit. And we're gonna do that before our skin starts bubbling. got it all pretty much in all the walls. Still gonna put a little here, little there, and up here also, and then up, nope, that's good. Got to build those headers out. I'm gonna do that, and this one, and that one there a little bit too. So got to build those headers out. Let me get you back here, get a look at it, how it's coming along. So that's the ceiling, the walls, starting to look like a room. Looking good. So like I said, yeah, I got to build up those headers still. Then I'll have to put plastic all on this once I have those headers good. And then we can acoustic seal it. But before we acoustic seal it, and I have a light coming, I'm going to run right through here to the middle. Before I acoustic seal it, we may throw the sealing boards on because I'll still be able to get to the plastic to seal it anyways. And that'll hold all that up there good. I put the staples right to it to hold it because we don't have strapping, but we wanted our boards going this way, not that way. But it's coming along. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications if you're new here, and I guess we'll see you in the next one when we do that other stuff. Thanks for coming along.